Hello guys, another review I watched while I was on a plane from Florida to UK back home. Um, I watched this along with King Richard. Um, Project Hail Mary with Ryan Gosling. It's a sci-fi masterpiece, start to finish. Almost 2 hours and a half, and it's amazing. If you've seen Interstellar, Gravity, Apollo 13, um, The Martian, all the space travel movies is up there. It's one of the very best. I love this movie. I had so much fun. It's one of my best films of this year. Probably I'll say Crime 101 is my favourite. Then I say Michael's this. Then I say Toy Story. Then this Project Hail Mary. Then Sheep Detectives. I really enjoy this film. Um, I think basically it's about an everyman that has to become an extraordinary man to save the world from extinction. So Ryan Gosling plays a high school science teacher. He's a former molecular biologist that wakes up in space with no memory how he got there. In a flashback, tells you how he got there and the reason why he's there. His only mission is to literally save the world from extinction. Basically, the world is at risk of global cooling in 30 years, which will cause the world population to die from an ice age, basically. Due to this issue called astrophage. Basically, science discovers a perpetual line of infrared light stretching from the sun to Venus, a substance and line dubbed astrophage. She caused damage to the sun, which will cause a global cooling in 30 years, which will bring on a new ice age, potentially killing quarter of a billion people, quarter of 8 billion people, basically, which is 2 billion people. 2 billion people will die due to global warming or global cooling on the ice age. My favourite part of the film is the friendship builds with an alien. His name's Rocky, alien made of rock, basically. He also has a mission to find a way to stop to stop the sun from going into global cooling. And you also have Sandra Huller, who's the head of this task force. Basically, she's the man the wall of this film, desperately trying to recruit Ryan Gosling. His character's called Ryland Grace, by the way. He's on his expert knowledge on molecular biology, and she's the head of this task force called Project Mary. Literally, the team behind saving the world, and you find out what Gosling refuses because he feels he's not capable. Then she says she basically by force she puts him in the cover and puts him on the ship into space to save the world because she feels like she's has no choice. Ryan Gosling's the only man in the world who has that type of knowledge on molecular biology that can stop this new ice age from happening. You find out that I think there were two other scientists that were on board with Ryan Gosling's mission, but fortunately they died due to radiation. In the end, Ryan Gosling managed to find a way to use his astrophage to help restore the sun to his to the sun to cure the sun's astrophage infection. Then how Ryan Gosling chooses to stay in space and live on a planet by the alien race called Iridia to manage to create a biodome that has oxygen for Ryan Gosling's character to live in, whilst to prepare a new ship for him to go back home eventually. He'll go back to space eventually, go back home to Earth eventually. So I guess he does go back home eventually, not in the film's events. I love this film. I love this film. And I believe this is based on a book as well, by Andy Weir. It's 4 out of 5, 4 stars out of 5, 9 out of 10. Better than 6, really good film. You love space travel movies, up there. Interstellar, Gravity, Apollo 13, The Martian, you name it, it's up there. One of the best sci-fi movies of all time. Adios amigos, thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Till next time. I love this film.
Stay here. I'll be back.